morning, welcome to today's video. Today is the fourth day of the Rainmaker Rollercoaster. It's an active recovery day, so we've got about 50 k's on the bike. It's flat, tailwind, but there's something along the course that might be a bit dangerous.
Francis, Shelley's got some, if you get chased by an ostrich, Shelley will show you what to do.
You stop and you get off your back and you hold your back above your head.
Show, like this.
Like this.
Is there seriously, we're going to get chased by ostriches today?
No.
I actually want to get chased by an ostrich. I think it sounds fun.
What's the top speed of an ostrich?
70 kilometers per hour.
There's a reason why he's wearing a skin suit. He knows this shit.
What's that pedal? Is it a
My BB starts working again.
What sort of pedal is that?
Look,
A look, okay.
it's SPD compatible.
Are they nice? You like them?
It has the biggest contact service of most pedals. Definitely bigger than Shimano.
Is it?
You're riding a Q-ring as well?
Yes.
Is that the XL? Yeah.
Since 2008, I'm on it.
Well,
Look at this.
look at Jesus Christ!
What's this spinach? How
It spins.
good?
Why is that?
It spins so fast it confuses the camera shutter speed.
Most pedals have a little bit of play for sure, but this spins so well without
Tubeless, mate. It's
Yeah,
the future.
just
It's absolutely the future. On Tuesday, it was the future and also the past.
this time it wasn't.
This was the future a long time ago.
Oh shit! I hate you. Just go back in your car, mate. This time it was a massive thorn,
Oh, shit,
not
what
a
are you gonna
pinch.
do?
I've got this. I've got a valve extender
Oh, right.
now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Was that my one?
No.
Come on, put your back into it. People are watching this. They don't want to be here for 3 minutes.
Just give me 20 minutes, mate.
75.
4 psi.
Cadence gauge.
I'm actually
Cadence
doing
gauge.
300 watts right now.
How's it going? Nice day, man.
Right, I give up. I'm going tubeless when I get home. Just one too many punches. That time it was a big thorn. I didn't realise these wheels are actually tubeless compatible, but they are. So now I've got no excuse.
Yeah, set up a coffee business.
That's all I deserve.
They're roasting their own stuff.
One peanut. Well, it's a short ride, isn't it? Half a peanut.
Half a peanut, right?
You know what they say, monkeys work for nuts.
So this has been complete bullshit.
Indeed it has.
Captain said it was tailwind the whole way. It has been headwind the whole way. I've got a puncher already. Where was Captain? With his phone?
Nowhere to be seen.
Nowhere.
Nowhere to be seen.
Worst ride captain ever.
Ever.
Worse than Eddie.
Francis,
Yeah.
good question.
Yeah.
How's our ride gone? You and me riding together.
Yeah, it hasn't really happened, has it? Hasn't really happened. That's the freakiest animal.
Come on, meet. She's definitely going for it.
Mate, where's Charlotte gone?
I know.
I thought we were supposed to be riding with her.
Yeah, we haven't done so well. We've been on the bikes for about 2 hours. Spent about 3 minutes with her.
She didn't want to look at the ostriches, so she's just dropped us instead.
Ostriches. Hashtag distraction.
So I know a song about, these are obviously ostrich. I know I'm in Africa on a different continent, and the emu is Australian. But it goes something like, let me tell you of an interview with an old man emu. He's got a beak and feathers and things, but the poor old fella ain't got no wings. Aren't you jealous of the wedge-tailed eagle? Da-da. They squeak and squawk and try to talk why me and them's like cheese and chalk. And that's the first chorus only.
You just saw a snake.
I just saw a massive snake. It was deadly.
Went
Absolutely
back,
deadly.
couldn't find it.
Went back, gave him a bit of a tickle on his belly,
Yeah.
and said goodbye. That was it.
I think it was just about a bit of black irrigation hose.
I think he was camera shy, he ran away.
The last bit was good, yeah. Fun little bit of technical gravel to finish. It's good, not too long.
I can't give you all flat gravel.
No, you cannot.
Please not.
No. It would be wrong. Very wrong. Francis,
Yeah.
do you know why ostriches have white necks?
It's not every day you see a sign that says this on it.
I reckon you kind of ride in there with them.
Yeah, go on. What's the worst that can happen?
Ostrich.
There's a sign there that says, ride the ostriches at your own risk.
I think you should risk it.
You ride motorbikes, can you do it? And your motorbike's broken, so you need something to ride tomorrow.
They called me to say it's fixed. I gotta go fix it. Can I ride my motorbike?
Just cancel it. Be like, I got an Ostrich instead. Got used to doing like 8 hours on the bike every day. Don't know what to do with myself now. How'd you find that?
Francis, I'm in love. That bike.
Don't give it back. Don't give it back. Keep it.
Okay, I'm going to try and say something
Yeah.
not like special, but it's like very bouncy, and there's only one thing on the front, so you only have to remember to
One wheel.
one gear chain ring.
Right.
So you just have to turn. You have to just change the gears.
Standing? Oh, it's gonna be interview.
But it's
Where's the microphone?
He's got the fuzzy mouse, mate. No, quick interview. I won't tell you what it's about.
He doesn't know what it's about yet.
No, I don't know what it's about yet. That's how these interviews go. So, couple of things. So, you reckon you're doing more gravel riding than mountain biking these days? Are you switching over a bit?
In the winter, yes. In the summer, not.
In the summer, the mountain biking
Yes,
again.
Yeah, trail bikes.
Trail bikes, yeah. Cross country. Yeah, you're pretty good at that.
Maybe 80% gravel, 20% road.
Okay.
I still love my tarmac, super light.
Yeah.
And then I'm very eager, like very quickly. I'm riding aggressive. And,
What do you mean aggressive? Do you push people off or?
Cars. Mountain bike, yeah, when the snow goes, I'm on the higher mountains.
Up in Switzerland. So you can ski as well. You're good at everything.
Well, I was a skier at the beginning.
Were you?
And soccer player, hockey player, wrestler. Pretty
Wrestler.
much everything.
Okay, we're going to test that at the end. I'm going to go at him like a spider monkey, see what his reaction time is. If you're out on the track and you're racing, long stage race, what do you eat during the stage race?
If it's very hot, I suddenly like to have something salty.
Yeah.
If the pace is super high at the Epic, I stay with sponsored nutrition pretty much all the way, because you just have no time to chew biltong or a sandwich or something, or no time. You're mostly out of breath or too concentrated. So I vary with bars and salty gels, and then at the end more the sweet gels.
And then favourite food ever? Not on the bike, just favourite food. You walk into a restaurant, you're looking at the entree, the main or the dessert, what are you going for? And don't say coffee just because you sell it.
That's drinking. I'd say a very good pizza with wine.
And then favourite movie?
I'm really not a movie boy.
So just porn, and then
That's easy on YouTube.
and then Francis CADE video, of course. Make sure you subscribe. Then favourite song?
I'm not a song boy either.
Not a song boy. I'll sing to you a bit later. Okay.
I'm more the radio guy.
If you had to be someone else that wasn't the legend that is Christoph Sauser, who would you be? Besides me?
Well, yeah, I just want to say, what's your name again?
Captain.
Captain, yes.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, this is a CGI giraffe. My production value's gone through the roof.
I know, but the massage girls are really worried because they think they have to massage those legs.
That's slightly intimidating.
That's a proper tongue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you taken a picture of the elephant?
That's a South African elephant.
Or maybe a camel horse?
Camel horse.
Camel horse.
He
Yeah.
really likes it. Yeah, they are hard.
Is he going to lick this? He's so good. Mate!
He's going to try and get back up here.
He wants to.
Good lad!
It's organic. It's come from Whole Foods.
It's alright, mate, I forgive you.
Right, is the wild South African Pafetta lizard. And we need to. If we don't get him out of the room, the girls aren't going to sleep tonight. He's climbing the cupboard, he's looking at me.
Shame.
There he is.
Oh no, don't let it go.
Yeah, don't let it go
in the cupboard.
No, poor little dude's scared. Check at his paws, those are like sticky paws.
No, he's up. You could leave a little trail of knickknacks.
Should we give him a name? Puff Daddy.
Puff Daddy.
This is a dangerous game, this. You just fly into the tree.
Fucking close.
Okay, we're taking this opportunity with this location and the current light situation behind me to take some cinematic shots. It'd be rude not to. He's too lazy to walk, so he's just flying his drone. He lost it.
No, it's a strong wireless interference, so kind of, but...
have been an amazing photo, but he's too close, isn't he? Oh, he's on top! He's on top! Well, that was stressful. And we weren't the ones climbing up the top of the mountain.
No, but he got up so quickly.
He did. He's too good. He has climbed Everest though.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It's gonna be great. Fuck, panic, almost crashed this thing in the process.
It's alright, it's an old one anyway.
Yeah.
I think on the Mavic 2 Pro something.
You don't want to crash a Hasselblad. Oh fuck, he's coming around the back or gone on the side, we don't know where, and then he saw you at the top.
Nice one. Happy days.
Happy
Yeah,
days.
man. Nice one. And that is the biggest mountain you've ever gone up?
Yeah.
Ever?
Yeah. Definitely bigger than Snowdon. Well, I got the cable car up Snowdon.
Bloody cyclist, get out of the road!
So today was a recovery day. We sort of did 55 kilometres, pretty flat stage, nice run in, but after a few hectic days proceeding, we really needed to take it easy. So it's good to have this sort of semi-rest day today. And as you'll see on your video, it's just a pretty cool spot we're staying at. But tomorrow's a big day, and we go up a valley road which closes in. We go over Montague Pass. We drop into George, which is just this cracking descent. It was built in the 1800s, this pass, and it's just amazing. And then we have the 7 passes, so we're going to have some pretty tired soldiers by the time we get into Neisner tomorrow afternoon. But another good day on the bike, one of the best gravel days you'll ever ride.
I can't wait.
Can't wait.